Okay, having checked the spark, you can see I have the governor flywheel in place. I put the wedge in it, but I left it loose so it can slide. And now we need to get our governor weights in place. And I do remember that when I assembled mine, there was kind of a clever way to do this. But since I already have the cam and everything in place, I'm just gonna put each weight in and insert the pins. And then these pins are threaded on one end, so we just have to tighten them in and bottom them out. There we go. And then of course the flywheel is loose, so that's that. And then put the other one in and get our second pin in place. Alright, I'll fiddle with that till that pin is in, and then we'll get that adjusted. Got the governor in order, checked for spark. Now I put the plug in and see we've got compression because I get bounce there, so I think it's time to line this up and get some fuel in it and see if we can get it running. Alright, I got this started after 15 or 20 minutes of adjusting the needle and the carb. My early HM-01 is happy at like a third to a half turn open on the needle and 1 or 2 clicks open on the choke. This one is currently at 2/3 or 3/4 turn open on the needle and 2 or 3 notches on the choke, and then it keeps doing this, so I'm gonna remember, because this has that fat needle in it, it really requires a lot of adjustment of the needle and the choke in concert because the needle does not adjust super finely. But I have this little half tank and I'm going to run this, see how long I can get it to run. Steadily here so that it gets broken in, but this is the stock governor, which I have not modified yet. So the governor spring stock seems to be doing nicely. See how fast that oiler empties. There, maybe I found the magic spot. Like 3/4 turn on the needle and 4 or 5 notches open on the choke. So we'll try to run this and get it bedded in, and then I'll try starting it again later once it's run in.